Most people download Bingo Cash thinking they'll make easy money in one night. But here's the truth no one tells you. Some players do win real cash, while others lose more than they earn, because they completely misunderstand how the app works. In this video, I'll break down exactly how Bingo Cash works in 2026, whether it actually pays real money, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and whether this app is worth your time or just another mobile gaming trap. Let's get straight into it. Bingo Cash is a skill-based mobile bingo game where players compete in tournaments for cash prizes. Instead of traditional bingo where luck decides everything, the app claims players compete against others with similar skill levels. That means speed, focus, and strategy matter more than most people think. Now here's where it gets interesting. The free games and the cash tournaments are completely different experiences. When you first join, you usually play practice rounds using virtual currency. This helps the app measure your skill level. But once you enter paid tournaments, real money is involved. For example, Alex deposits $20 and joins small entry contests. If he performs well, he can win part of the prize pool after platform fees. But here's the problem. A lot of people assume every game is profitable. It's not. This is where most users fail. They keep entering high-fee tournaments without understanding payout percentages. Even skilled players can lose money if they play too aggressively. In a minute, I'll show you the safest way beginners should approach Bingo Cash. First, let's answer the biggest question. Does Bingo Cash actually pay? Yes. Many users report receiving real payouts through methods like PayPal or linked payment accounts. The app itself is generally considered legitimate in 2026. But payout success depends on following the rules, verifying your account properly, and living in supported regions. Now here's another important detail. Some states and countries restrict real money gaming apps due to local laws. So depending on where you live, cash tournaments may not even be available. But here's the smartest strategy most experienced users follow. They treat Bingo Cash like entertainment with a possible reward, not guaranteed income. John, for example, only plays with small amounts he's comfortable losing. He focuses on low-entry games and quits once he reaches a profit target. That approach matters because emotional spending is the fastest way to lose money on apps like this. Now, here's where it gets interesting again. Your skill level actually improves over time. Faster pattern recognition, quicker number scanning, and better power-up timing can increase your chances of winning smaller tournaments consistently. But remember, there's still risk involved. This is not a salary replacement or passive income app. So, is Bingo Cash worth it in 2026? If you enjoy competitive mobile games and understand the risks, it can be a fun way to potentially win extra cash. But if you expect guaranteed profits, you'll probably end up disappointed. The key takeaway is simple. Play carefully, start small, and never chase losses. If this review helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you've ever tried Bingo Cash yourself.